bumper doesn't even work. This is the elevator here at the Sea Dip Resort in Daytona Beach, Florida. A very basic cab, but this is the only vintage looking anyways elevator I found in this place. The rest are modded from the looks of it. Well, one is indeed modded. There's one that had in a Epco call stations. I'll check that one, but yeah. General elevator, obviously Oiltronic. Alright, I'm just getting it to get off here. There are your fixtures, GAL JetPlus. And there's a view out with Daytona Beach over there. There's GAL JetPlus call button. There's your lantern down. And that... Oh, the bumper worked this time. It didn't work the first time I tried it. Well, anyway, there it goes. And that is going to be it.